Okay, so let's see how to transform a variable in Jamovi. For this purpose, we have imported the Excel sheet like in the last video, and now I want to, let's say, transform the variable. I want to make age into categories, so I will use the transformation option here. So I'll just click on the age and click on transformation. So you can see that age2 or transformed variable has came here. Now let's say I want to make categories of age. So I'll just write it here, age categories. Okay. So source of variable is again age, and using transformation, I'll type it here as a new transformation. So I will add record condition. Let's say from the data set, I want to make two groups in the age. One is less than 40, second is more than 40. So I'll just click it here, if source, I will click it here, if source is less than or equal to, let's say if the source I want as less than or equal to 40. So I will use it as less than or equal to 40, and I will close this arrow. So you can see it has labeled all those variables which were less than 40 as less than or equal to 40, or else I will use it as more than 40. So I'll just again do it like this, more than 40. So in this way we can make the categories of age. Let's say you want to make more categories. Let's say in this data set, I can see that from analysis and exploration part, I'll just check the minimum and maximum value in the age. So when I put it in the column, I can see minimum value is 19 and maximum is 69. So let's say I'll make three groups. I'll go again to the age and I'll transform. Again age category 2 and using a new transformation. So let's say I'll make first age group of 18 to 30. Okay, so it is less than or equal to 30. This is 18 to 30. Then again I'll add a record condition. The next age group will be between 30 to let's say 50. So I'll just use less than 50. It will be 30 to 50. And for else I will use at more than 50. So you can see it has made three categories here: age 18 to 30, 30 to 50, and more than 50. Likewise, you can transform whichever variable you want. In the next video, we'll see how to compute a variable in Jamovi. Thank you.